wings touching the sky. Count 1, 2, 3 as they stand so tall. Let's flap our arms, don't let them fall. 4 rectangles march in line, tall and wide, they look so fine. March like a rectangle, straight and neat. Stomp, stomp, stomp your little feet. 5 shiny stars twinkle so bright, winking at us in the night. Twinkle your fingers, 1 to 5. Jump like a star and feel alive. Circle, square, triangle, 2, rectangle and star. Now you know a few shapes are fun. Come sing and play, let's learn some more.